Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to put a YouTube video on repeat or on loop. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to open up YouTube app on your mobile phone. So after opening up YouTube app on your mobile phone, here you guys have to simply select the video which you want to play on loop. So assume that I'm selecting any one of the video like this. So here you guys have to simply tap on the save button which is right below the subscribe button. So it will by default save to watch later, but you guys have to tap on change. So after tapping on change, here you guys have to simply click on new playlist and tap on loop and click on public and create. So after creating the new playlist, now you guys have to simply go to that playlist by tapping on below right corner of your profile icon. And here you guys have to just simply click on playlist section, click on view all. So after clicking on all, here you guys have to just simply tap on the loop playlist, and here you guys have to just simply open the video. So after opening up the video from the playlist, you guys have to just simply tap on the loop button which is right below the name of video. So after tapping on that, your video will be play in the loop. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.